Hi, I'm Bailey Ramirez, a futon expert here at Futon World. And today we're going to take a look at one of our premier sofa beds, the Valerie. It's a unique piece for a couple of reasons. It has compact arms on both sides, a headboard in the back that allows you to put the piece completely flush against the wall, comes in a couple different colors, and it stores and sleeps with storage underneath and converts into a true full-size bed. To operate the Valerie, you simply come to the front, grab this piece here, lift it up, and pull it towards you. This will give you access to the storage underneath to keep pillows, blankets, or whatever other bedding you'd like. Then to put it into its bed position, simply click it again, drop it down, and there you have it. A true full-size bed to sleep two people comfortably. If you want to put it back into the seating position, you lift it up once again, access to the storage, push down from here, and in. And there you have it. The Valerie sofa bed from Futon World.